In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to post a CapCut video on YouTube. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Step one, you just have to open your CapCut application and then import a video or file from your gallery. And then you need to edit it first if you want. Okay, tap new project, import the video here. Now you can start editing your video. Okay, so let's just say this is your video and you want to edit it. So if you want to add sounds, tap sounds and click any sounds here. Insert sounds from TikTok or from your files. Okay, and then if you want to edit the quality of the video, you can simply go to this part here and then if you want to add text, you can add text. If you want to add some styles, if you want to add some effects, animations, or subtitles, you can just add it here. Also, you can add stickers if you want. You can add overlay effects and other things on your video. Okay, so after that, step two, you can change the quality of your video. Choose 1080p for best resolution. Wait till it reaches 100%, and then step 3, import your video. Once done, step 4, if you want to share this video to any of the social media platform below, you just have to tap either it's Instagram, Facebook, but this time let's look for YouTube. Step 5, tap YouTube in order for you to upload your video to your YouTube channel. Okay, tap this one. And then step 6, all you have to do is to simply add details to your video before you upload this. So you can add a name here and then edit the settings below. Okay, and then step 7, click upload. So that's how easy it is to upload or post a CapCut video on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.